Today's my presentation is about HashiCorp Vault. This slide introduces what Vault is about. Vault is a security tool used to protect sensitive information like password, tokens, and certifications. In modern cloud and DevOps organization, managing secrets securely is a critical thing. So this problem will be solved using this HashiCorp Vault. Let's see one by one. What is Vault? Vault is a centralized secret management platform. Instead of storing passwords, API keys in the source code or configuration file, Vault stores things securely in a centralized single one place. It is built specifically for cloud infrastructures, microservices, Kubernetes platform. For each services, it is built specifically. And why this Vault is needed means previously in many organizations, many applications are running hard-coded. Every secrets credentials are hard-coded in that source code and pipeline, which may cause to higher risk. And if any credential leaks means it will lead to major breaches. What this vault uses means it enables a zero trust access model. What it will do means where secrets are never exposed permanently. It will never expose any secrets permanently. And what are the problems are solved from this vault is it removes all the credentials from the source code and secrets are no longer committed to Git repository and it avoids the secrets part where secrets are scattered across the multiple system and everything is centrally managed like controlling, auditing, everything is centrally managed in a single place. And how this alt work? Application authenticates to Vault. Vault verifies the identification of the application using that predefined policy, and with that policy, it will issue a short-lived secret. That secret is automatically expires and automatically revoked, so that we can reduce the risk. Like whenever it issues a short-lived secret, after its work was done, it will automatically expires so that we can able to reduce the risk exposure. And let me give a real-time example. In Kubernetes, a pod authenticates to Vault using a Kubernetes authentication. What will Vault do means it will generate a temporary database credentials for the pod, and these credentials will automatically expire and no secrets are stored in the pod. This follows the same like what I said previous, like that zero trust secret approach. Like this is the architecture, like it will never trust, it will always verify and identify the application before doing anything. And what are the benefits we are getting from this? It's the Vault significantly improves security and compliance. It also speed up the DevOps and CI/CD workflow by automatic secret management, and this Vault scales well with microservices architecture. These are the benefits we are getting from this HashiCorp Vault. And what are the key takeaways we are getting from this? Which we can shift this static secrets to identity-based access, and we can integrate this vault with the CI/CD and Kubernetes, and so that we can make every secrets that can't be exposed permanently. We can able to achieve those things using this HashiCorp Vault. Thank you.